Hi there. Today we are making an egg curry with a spicy coconut milk gravy that is absolutely delicious and a hit every time. You will be able to cook this perfectly in your kitchen. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? Hard boiled eggs, grated onion, tomato paste, you could use the fresh one, coconut cream or the first extract of coconut milk, grated ginger, grated garlic and green chilies, cumin seeds and a stick of cinnamon for tempering the oil, the spice powders, coriander powder, Kashmiri Red chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and homemade garam masala powder, sugar and salt to taste, a bit of ghee or clarified butter and a good quality mustard oil for cooking. Take a bowl, add in all the dry spices, pour in a bit of water and make a paste. Keep this ready for cooking. Heat some mustard oil in a pan. Fry the boiled eggs till they are golden brown on the outside. Get them out. Now I did not mention the potatoes. These are optional, but if you are using potatoes, just cut them into quarters and fry them. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends till they get a light color on them. That's done. Get them out of the pan. Temper the same oil with the cinnamon stick and the cumin seeds. Add in the grated onion. I have squeezed out the water. Cook this, stirring continuously till the raw smell of the onion goes away and there's a light coloration. That's done. Lower the heat. Add in the ginger garlic paste. Cook it briefly. Add in the spice paste. Just wash the bowl that had the spice paste in it and add in a bit of water. Let it simmer. Time to add in the tomato paste. Mix it up and cook till the oil starts separating. Add in the fried potatoes and the green chilies. I have added them whole. Give it a mix. Add in sugar. Season with salt. Give it all a mix. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Once it starts simmering, cover it with a lid and cook on low to medium heat for about 5 minutes. Checking after 5 minutes. That looks gorgeous. This is the time to check the potatoes. Yes, they are done. I'll just add in a bit of water to make the gravy. Mix it up and bring it to a boil. Add in the eggs. Coat them with the masala. Add in the coconut cream. Mix it all up. Look how the color of the gravy changes instantly. All we need to do is to bring that to a boil once again on low heat. Add in a teaspoon of ghee. Give it a mix. And turn off the heat. Drizzle some thick malai or coconut cream on top. Garnish with coriander and serve hot with rice. Enjoy!